Hey guys, and welcome to this new video. Today we're going to take a look at a huge package that I received. This is about this beautiful package. I am currently seeing many videos about it, and I am also one of the people who ordered it. For those who still don't know what it's about, it is a 3D printer, but a rather special one. What exactly it can do, what makes it so special, and why I ordered it will be revealed after the intro. Enjoy! But first I would say, let's quickly unbox the thing. So with that, I am back with a conclusion. I have been running the 3D printer continuously for several days now, and I must say that I am personally very happy. I really couldn't have imagined a better 3D printer. I struggled for a long time with the decision of whether I should really spend so much money on this printer or if I should go for a regular Prusa, which is a little bit cheaper and above all has been on the market for much longer. In the end, I decided on this 3D printer because it is advertised with a super small setup. So I don't have to assemble it. Instead, I have it ready to go in 2021, and after 5 minutes, I can start the first print. And also because of all the automations that are included. On one hand, there is a LiDAR sensor that scans the print surface and a print bed calibration that comes directly from the nozzle, so I don't have to set any offset or anything like that. For the spool system, Bambulab offers its own spools that directly indicate which spool is currently loaded, so I don't have to configure anything there either. The different print plates included in the slicer automatically adjust the temperatures. So, in the end, for anyone who doesn't want to deal much with 3D printing but simply wants to print things, this is the perfect printer. Personally, I also enjoy tinkering with printers. However, in the past, it was often the case that I wanted to print something again after a few weeks with my somewhat older Anycubic i3 Mega, started the print, and for some reason, it didn't work again. That means I first had to deal with the 3D printer, get it running again, and only then could I start the print again. What partly led to me being extremely annoyed was that in that moment, I didn't want to deal with the 3D printer, but rather with the actual part I was printing, and it kept throwing me out of the project every time. Now I have this 3D printer that I can work with whenever I feel like it, optimizing things further, printing extensions for the printer itself, or if I want to focus on other topics, I can simply start the printer and be relatively confident that it will work, at least with simpler materials. Why now with simpler materials? It's simply because I am currently using PLA for everything, but I also print a large part of my items with PLA. As soon as I have worked with other materials, I can definitely print them without any problems with this 3D printer. However, I haven't tried that yet. This could also be interesting for you, as I am considering whether to offer smart home parts already printed through my shop in the future. This means that if I introduce a sensor in a video, and there is a housing for it, I could directly package it with the sensor in the smart home shop and ensure a certain quality, which was very important to me personally, and that was not entirely possible with the Anycubic E in my opinion. But is the 3D printer right for you? You have to decide that for yourself. If you haven't done much with 3D printers yet and are unsure whether you want to engage with them in the future, it might be better to start with a more affordable printer for now. But if you say, I want to fully dive into the topic, but I don't want to mess around with printers too much and want my prints to work right away, then this is definitely a very, very cool 3D printer that I can highly recommend. I will put the link in the video description below for the few people who would like to check it out. That was more of a small informational video. I just wanted to share my excitement about the 3D printer. I hope you still enjoyed it. Next week we'll continue with smart home topics. Please share your thoughts in the comments if you've checked out the printer. I would be very happy about a subscription. And then I would say, see you in the next video. Until then, take care and goodbye.